Ayan, boys lahat.
Ayan, grabe. So we have a winner ng ating team boys. Tama ba?
Tama.
Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin sila dahil ang gagaling ng ating mga kids. Ayan, sana ang ating mga team boys. Ayan, dito kayo sa harap and claim your prize to Kuya Cover.
Ayan, congratulations Kuya. Congratulations ate. Ayan, congratulations Kuya. Congrats and congratulations. Ayan, dahil sila yung nanalo.
Alright, at dahil dyan, tapos ng ating mga kids dahil hindi din magpapakabog ang ating mga adults. Ready na ba sila? Alright, magpapatalo bang ating mga adults sa ating next game? Oh, hindi. So ano po inantay natin? Dito na tayo sa gitna.
I need 5 boys and 5 girls.
How about this side?
5 boys and 5
Dito
girls.
na, let's go. Ayaw mo bang makatanggap ng tumbler?
Ayan, mamaya my kids.
Alright, come on.
Okay, I need 5 boys and 5 girls para mas exciting.
Ayan, kahit sino pwede.
Okay, kahit sino na daw pwede.
Basta adult.
Adults. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 2 adult. Dalawa pa po. Ayan. Adult na yung mukhang hindi isip bata. Ay, joke lang. Sorry. Okay, I need 2 adult.
Alright, kompleto na ba?
Dalawa pa, Ate Yen.
So dito kayo ma'am, corner line straight. Alright, how about the team boys? Kompleto na ba?
Ayan, ma'am, hugot ka ang dalawang lalaki ba?
Ayan, so dito na lang po tayo straight line.
Ayan si Kuya, come on Kuya, naka-glass.
Yan.
Ayan na Kuya.
Okay sir, pwede kang okay, sorry. Okay, sino pang gusto sumali?
Ayan, sabi ko ni Mami, lahat yung hindi magpa-participate, hindi ka kaya. Come on. Okay, sige, huwag daw bibigyan. Teachers lang. Ayan, para matapos na po tayo sa game, this is our last game before we proceed to our
Go
food.
in the candles. Alright, I need 2 more players sa ating team boys. Asan na sila? Ayan, kompleto na.
Ayan, okay, kompleto na.
Isa pang girls. I need 1 more player. Come on. Come on. Alright, kompleto na. Halika na. Ayan, by 5.
Pakitang Yen sa girls.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, 5.
For boys, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Kompleto na. Alright, so guys, can you move backward ulit? Atras lang tayo ng konti. Ayan. Okay, so before we start, tatanungin ko muna kayo, meron kayong mga team name, okay? Mag-isip na kayo ng inyong mga group names dahil babalikan ko kayo. Okay? Alright, so nakaisip na ba kayo ng inyong mga team names? Alright, so dito tayo sa team girls. Nakaisip na ba sila? What is your team name? Again, I can't hear. What's your team name? Sorry? Team Guragu. Okay, Team Guragu. Okay, how about the team boys? What is your team name?
Hello. Team name.
Yes, team name or group name?
Team ba, ganon. Team Mangkod. Grabe ito yung mga lola, no? Nakanasan siguro nito.
Alright, go!
Team Powerpuff Boys. Ayan, go. Sige.
Alright, Team Powerpuff Boys and Team
Guragu. Ayan. Ano kayong meaning ng guragu na sinasabi nila?
That's very unique. Hindi ko din alam kung anong word yun. Ayan, pangalan pa lang daw panalo. Nakapapatalo ba ang Team Powerpuff Boys?
Hindi, syempre.
Alright, so before we start, i-discuss muna namin ni Kuya Homer ang details ng game. So, makinig mabuti.
Okay,
Alright?
this
So,
game is Ronald McDonald's basketball game.
yes, basketball game. Alright? So, lahat tayo may designated number. Huwag natin kakalimutan you are the number 1, number 2, number 3, number number 4, and number 5. Same as this side, you are now number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 si Kuya. Alright? So for example, we are the number 0. Okay? Okay, for example, we are the number 0. Pag sinabi namin 0, pupunta lang dito sa harap, tatakbo, and do the dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition. Ang hindi kikende, hindi kakain. Tama, hep hep? Okay, isa pa. Dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition. Alright, kapag tinawag yung number, dun lang ipapasa. Okay? Alright, so paano natin malalaman ang winner dito, Kuya Cooper?
Okay, syempre ang last na number na matatawag kapag sinabing shoot.
Pag sinabing shoot,
Okay, shoot.
saka pumunta dito sa
Pupunta
harap
ninyo.
at paunahang putukin yung
Ayan.
balloons.
Okay, usually kapag sinasabi namin shoot, ang ginagawa ng mga boys and girls,
Shoot. Hindi ganon. Ang shoot na sinasabi is pop the balloon.
Ayan,
Okay?
pop the balloon.
Alright. So ready na sila?
okay, once again, explain ko rin yung mechanics ng game. You are the number 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Pag sinabing number 2, siya lang yung pupunta sa harap and do the basketball game. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition. Kapag sinabing shoot, siya yung mag-shoot ng or magpa-pump ng balloon.
Alright, ready? Can you give us a thumbs up if you're ready? Alright.
Okay, at the count of 3, 2, 1, number 5! Number 5! Ayan, dribble, 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 exhibition. Okay, stop lang po. Wait lang, wait lang. Ma'am, okay lang pakitanggal yung shades para hindi matapakan. Okay.
Yan, baka mahulog.
Okay.
Sayang naman.
Balik po tayo sa kwan. Ay, baka
Alright.
walang mandidisgrasya.
And that's only a trial, okay?
Trial, okay.
This is your final game.
At the count of 3, 2, 1, number 2!
Number two.
Ayan, dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition. Number 3.
Number
Number
three.
3.
Number
Ayan,
three.
dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition. Number 4. Number 4. Ayan, dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition. Number 1.
Number
Number 1.
one. Number one.
Dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition. Number 3.
Number three.
Number 3. Ayan, dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Number 3, number 3. Dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition. Tayo'y mag-ocho, ocho. Ocho, ocho. Number 1.
Number
Number
one.
1. Ayan, dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition. Number 5.
Number
Number 5. Number 5. Ayan, dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition. Spaghetti, pababa,
Spaghetti, pababa,
pababa. Ayan, number 3. Number 3. Okay, dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition. Number 4.
Number 4.